Hello everyone, this is Lakshya Anand and I am accompanied by my friend Gaurav Patel and Keshav Kumar Verma from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies studying in CSE Mainframe Semester 2. And today we stand here in a very renowned industry of Dehradun, DSS Industries. DSS Industries is basically a printing and packaging industry and it is situated in Selakui, Dehradun. Now let's move inside the SS Industries in order to explain you the working procedure of printing.
Hello, I am Keshav Kumar Verma here to give the brief explanation of printing proceeds. A printing press is a complex piece of high precision industrial equipment that is designed to produce printing materials at high rates and at low cost. Commercially, there are different types of printing techniques available in the market, but we will discuss here offset lithographic printers. This lithographic printing machine can print on different size of paper. It has separate printing units for different colors of ink. It is 12-unit printing machine fixed on the either side of the paper. It contains three main cycles. The plate cycle, cylinder, these levers can control the cylinder. These lithographic printing machines contain three cylinders: plate cylinder, blanket cylinder, and the impression cylinders. These are the three levers of the cylinder. This lever control plate cylinder, this control impression cylinder, and this one is the for blanket cylinder. The size of these cylinders are slightly less than the size of seat. The three cylinders rotate at the same speed so that their surface is formed on the plate and then transferred to the blanket and finally on the paper sheet.
Hello everyone, myself Gaurav Patel will further explain you the process of printing. As you can see here, the loads of paper are printed into the machine. Then the paper goes further to the machine. And then I will explain you about the lithographic plate. Some other printing press technology use printing plate such as raised areas which hold the ink under the stamp pad. There are also some other printing press technology which hold the ink in engraved braces on the equivalent of the plate cylinder. However, these lithographic plates are so thin that it's just 1 micrometer. The ink areas are neither raised nor recessed. There is one lithographic plate per colored plate, and these plates form the image. The plate operate on the principle that oil and water do not mix with each other. Neither recessed nor raised by any height, which is any significance to the printing process. The plates themselves are of anechoic aluminium. On the plate, the polymer are fixed upon it. The polymer are fixed so that it doesn't wet any of the oil constituents, but the anechoic aluminium wets the water constituents. And so by this essential, the printing process goes on. The anechoic printer attracts the water molecules and the polymer molecules attracts the oil particles. The principle of the printing process goes on further that the oil and water should not mix with each other. So essentially the polymer attracts the ink and aluminium attracts the water. In these way further the printing process goes on will be explained further by my batchmate Lakshya Anand.
Before the press is ready to start printing, an image is formed on the surface of the plate by selectively removing the portions of the polymer layer. In a computer-to-plate machine which scans laser beams across the surface of the plate to remove the unneeded portions of the plate or layer. The laser is a very high frequency beam which is put on the paper to print the desired material. This is a type of an offset machine which was first used in the mid-1990s and it's still being used, and it is a very commonly used printing type of machine. It first binds the paper into the cylindrical layers of it. Forms images on the plates, on the sides of the plate cylinders in the press. This is a more than common imaging of the plates outside the press. A plate is used to print the desired material on the paper. Once the paper enters the printing machine, a type of polymer acts on the paper which gives the color to the printing paper. Once the press starts printing, the rollers apply a water-based colorless solution to each plate, and this solution wets the areas where the polymer has been removed. After the fountain solution is applied, other rollers apply printing ink to the plate, and this is how the printing process goes on further. These are the different types of polymer colors. These are the synthetic colors that we use in the process of printing. There are different type of polymers. Some are synthetic polymer colors and some are natural polymer colors. And we can differentiate the type of polymer colors that we use in our papers by looking at the quality and by smelling it. Once the registration and color are good, the operator increases the speed of the press to its full production speed. And here we see that the operator is in its full production speed, and we are getting the paper very quickly printed. And this is the paper which is the final output